Hi, Nancy Thygesen here, following up with you on a Salon Sunday. Just going to the abstract work to show you for how we got from A to B, but also to inspire you in terms of your own creativity and how we can take, for me, the abstract work. I need to have like a narrative. I need to have a deeper principle that kind of unfolds as I work through the development of these images. And what came to me, I've been reflecting on Hesed, which is the Hebrew word for the loving kindness of God, right? And within that bowl, the bowl of God's loving kindness, there's smaller bowls, the bowls of the Holy Spirit, the fruits of the Holy Spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, self-control. Hello, Nancy, empathy, peace. So needed in our times today, right? Because the Bible talks about the cup of trembling, which sometimes I've been drinking a lot of that cup, right? And how that translates into the art. So as I saw these pieces developing, I saw using lighter colors, right? I used a Payne's gray. I used a bit of a cadmium yellow, deep hue, which is, it's a little bit lighter, and also a gold. And within the cold wax technique, you mix half and half with half oil, half cold wax is generally the percentage. I have my palette here. It's pretty well done because I used all the colors. And I have a palette knife, and you mix your wax. You take a blob of wax, a blob of paint, you mix it around. And I love the free flow, very tactile application because you're using tools like this, a spreader. I take a gob of the paint, and then you have an angle and you apply it across the canvas. But the beauty of the layers, the layering that happens within this work is you can pull, like, remember the very bright orangey red, umber, and turquoise backgrounds. I can pull some of that and leave it open to come forward, right? I never really understood layering very well, and I think it's a work in progress. You can also add other media. I used a National Geographic piece. It just kind of spoke to me, right? It was actually an old archive of Roman antiquities that, you know, just came to me almost like that universal, like, hole into the universe. And there's a hand there, that seeking hand. In sizing as well, you can write into your piece. And that's, again, the beauty of the layers. You could seek unexpected places. And often those written words will draw people into that work in addition to all the other elements, which I hope can communicate metaphorically. You can also add random lines and graphic lines. I added a wee bit of gold leaf into this piece as well. And to me, this one kind of communicated the bowl image, right? The bowl of God's loving kindness. So these are the three pieces. I know you wonder what Nancy's doing now. Well, here's the thing. And they're a series, and they're 12 by 12, oil and cold wax on board. So just to show you how we got from A to B, I love the teaching as much as the doing. So hope this encourages you that you are held today in God's loving kindness. Lots of love, and God bless.